Welcome to our daily health. Rice scrub. 7 amazing homemade rice scrubs for clear, younger looking, and flawless skin. Body scrubs are the secret to rejuvenated and vibrant skin. They help to remove dead skin cells from the body, revealing a baby soft skin. There are so many DIY body scrubs, but in this video, we are exploring several rice scrubs that you can begin to use. Exfoliating with rice scrubs can enhance your skin health and appearance in a variety of ways. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells from your skin, boosts collagen production, making your skin resilient and lustrous. Massaging your skin with rice scrubs isn't only good for silky and radiant skin, but can also help you relax. Using body scrubs like rice scrubs can also boost efficient circulation, purifies and cleanses the skin, and smoothens dry skin. Rice scrubs can enhance your skin appearance and remove blemishes. It also boosts skin hydration and helps your skin absorb moisturizers better. Rice scrubs are not just ideal for your skin and face, but together with a massage, it can calm your nerves and relax your body. Rice is an essential food in most countries. This staple food is consumed by more than half of the world's population as it is readily available and versatile. It is a major source of daily calorie intake for many people. Apart from being great nourishment for the body, it is also great for your face and skin. Rice can be ground into a fine powder and can be used for face powder, to exfoliate the skin, as a facial toner, and to treat acne. Rice scrub is a superb exfoliant. Rice powder has been used in the past for beauty and cosmetic purposes because of the many beneficial properties that rice carries. It has a soft texture and can help brighten up your skin. Rice can help absorb excess sebum and reduce sunburn. Rice also has anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties. Rice contains ferulic acid, a powerful antioxidant that is protective against harmful UV rays and the resultant damages. It can reverse free radical damage and ameliorate damages caused by oxidative stress. Rice also contains inositol, a potent antioxidant that can help reverse damages caused by free radicals. These damages include wrinkles, skin sagging, and other aging-related skin conditions. Rice flour also contains allantoin and para-aminobenzoic acid that is beneficial to the skin. Allantoin, which has anti-inflammatory properties, smoothens the skin and boosts skin regeneration and repair. Para-aminobenzoic acid can help your skin look younger and protect you from sunburn. Scrubbing is an essential part of your skincare routine, and we have listed 7 amazing homemade rice scrubs that are simple to make, inexpensive, and very effective. The ingredients required can be easily gotten in your kitchen. Here are 7 amazing homemade rice scrubs for clear, younger looking, and flawless skin. Number 1. Rice and honey scrub. If you have not treated your skin for a while, then this scrub is perfect for you. It not only exfoliates but also softens your skin. Rice exfoliates, removes contaminants from your skin, and restores the depleted mineral content of your skin. Combining rice with honey is a huge plus because honey can moisturize and soften your skin. Exfoliate using this rice scrub during your shower and after washing with soap. Massage the skin for 3 minutes for a soft and silky look. You will need 1 cup of semi-solid rice powder, 50 grams of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of pure honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. How to prepare. 1. Combine all ingredients in a bowl. Wash your body with soap and rinse for clean skin. Apply the mixture and massage lightly in a circular motion. 2. Rinse with warm water. 3. Use the exfoliant once a week. Tip: you can use a moisturizer afterward, especially if your skin is dry. Number 2. Rice and tomato scrub. Tomatoes are great for the skin. They are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that are beneficial to the skin. Tomatoes also contain vitamin C and B vitamins, which are essential to your skin health. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which has been shown to be very potent against skin cancer and protect against UV radiation or sunburn. It is also an excellent moisturizer and natural astringent that can cleanse your skin and give it a natural glow. This rice scrub is perfect for you if you want to lighten your skin and get a glowy look. You will need 1 fresh raw tomato, 1/2 cup of ground rice, honey. How to prepare. Number 1. Beat tomato into a pulp and mix with 1/2 cup of ground rice. 2. Add 2 to 3 drops of organic honey and mix the ingredients well. 3. Apply the scrub to your skin and face and massage. 4. Leave it for about 20 minutes. 5. Rinse well with warm water. Tip: you can use 1 tomato juice or organic tomato puree instead of fresh tomato. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 3. Rice flour, turmeric, and milk. Rice flour has many antioxidant compounds, which can leave you with nourished and revitalized skin. It gives you soft and supple skin and keeps your skin hydrated. Turmeric is also a famous skincare ingredient that has been used in the past for beauty and cosmetic purposes. Turmeric is an all-natural antiseptic and has anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce acne, skin irritation, and scarring. Milk acts as a moisturizer and gives the skin a soft and supple look. It removes blemishes and spots from the skin. It enhances skin tone and appearance. This rice scrub softens and smooths the skin. You will need 1 teaspoon of rice flour, a pinch of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of milk. How to prepare. 1. Combine rice flour, milk, and turmeric powder in a bowl. 2. Apply the mixture to your face and skin. 3. Leave for up to 15 minutes. 4. Rinse off with cold water for soft and supple skin. 5. Apply at least once a week for optimal results. Tips: you can also use yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid and alpha hydroxyl acid, which helps remove the top surface of your skin and enhance the production of new and pigmented skin cells. Yogurt can help fight acne, reduce wrinkles and blemishes, and also help exfoliate as well as moisturizes the skin. Number 4. Rice and green tea face scrub. Green tea is a healthy ingredient for the skin. It is loaded with antioxidants and boosts your health and can also leave your skin glowing and healthy. Green tea is packed with vitamin C and E, which is great for your skin health. Vitamin E can leave the skin hydrated, which can reduce aging. Vitamin B2 also boosts collagen production, making the skin firm and elastic. It also has antibacterial properties such as polyphenols that can help fight infection and reduce inflammation. You will need 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of green tea, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. How to prepare. Number 1. Combine rice flour, green tea, and lemon juice in a bowl. 2. Mix into a smooth and consistent paste. 3. Apply the mixture and allow it to dry in your face for up to 15 minutes. 4. Rinse off with cold water for soft and beautiful skin. Number 5. Use it once or twice a week for optimal results. Tip: this rice scrub is ideal for oily skin. Number 5. Rice flour, oats, honey, and milk. Oats are perfect for your skin and beauty purposes. Oats are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help remove dead skin cells, remove excess oil from the skin, and treat acne and several skin conditions. Honey is a popular ingredient in skincare remedies and DIY skincare products. It has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It is a natural humectant that is good for oily and acne-prone skin. It leaves the skin moist and hydrated. Honey can also cleanse pores and rid you of blackheads. You will need 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of oats, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of cold milk. How to prepare. Number 1. Mix rice flour, oats, honey, and cold milk in a bowl. 2. Make it into a smooth and consistent paste. 3. Apply the mixture to your face and massage lightly for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. Allow the paste to dry on your face for up to 15 minutes. 5. Rinse off with cold water. 6. Use once or twice every week for acne and pimple-free face. Tips: this rice scrub is suitable for dry skin. Honey is a good moisturizer, and with the rest of the other ingredients, you get lustrous and glowing skin. Number 6. Rice and baking soda scrub. This rice scrub is affordable and easy to prepare. It would remove dead skin, brighten your skin, and give you clearer skin. Baking soda can help you softly exfoliate your skin, and together with rice powder, unclog your skin pores. Rice with baking soda can prevent acne and improve overall skin health. Olive oil contains abundant vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. It acts as an antioxidant and heals the damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress, which include skin aging and wrinkles. It moisturizes and hydrates the skin, giving you a fresh and youthful look. You will need 1 tablespoon of rice powder, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of water, honey, not compulsory, olive oil, not compulsory. How to prepare: 1. Mix rice powder, baking soda, and water in a bowl until smooth and consistent. 2. Make it into a paste. 3. Apply the paste to your face and skin and lightly massage in circular motions. 4. You can add a few drops of organic honey. Number 5. You can also add some drops of olive oil or coconut oil to reduce its stickiness. 6. Leave on the face or skin for up to 15 minutes. 7. Rinse off the mixture using warm water. 8. You can use your body oil or moisturizer afterward to stop your skin from drying. 9. Use this rice scrub once to twice every week. Tips: use only small amounts of baking soda because of its alkaline properties, which can interfere with your skin's pH level. Using it consistently might make your skin really sensitive and can affect your skin's ability to recover and rehydrate quickly. Number 7. Rice scrub with raw sugar. This rice scrub is effective for extremely dry skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells and reveal glowing and healthy skin. Rice flour with raw sugar and yogurt would. Raw sugar contains abundant glycolic acid and alpha hydroxy acid that can enter your skin and boost cell turnover, leaving you with fresh and youthful looking skin. Raw sugar is a natural humectant that can keep your skin moist and boost skin hydration. It can help heal aging skin and reverse damages caused by harmful UV radiation. Yogurt contains lactic acid that boosts exfoliation and helps enhance skin hydration while giving you nourished skin and a glow. You will need 1/2 cup of ground rice, 1/4 cup of raw sugar, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, olive oil. How to prepare: 1. Combine raw sugar and ground rice in a bowl and stir well. 2. Add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. 3. Add a few drops of olive oil and stir well. 4. Apply to your skin and massage lightly for up to 30 minutes. 5. Rinse off the mixture with cold water or lukewarm water to reveal radiant skin. 6. You may use your skin moisturizer afterwards. Tip: you can use this rice scrub for removing wrinkles. Tips to note: don't exfoliate every day, because exfoliating too much can make your skin too dry, irritated, and sensitive. You can exfoliate up to 3 times a week, but if you already have dry skin, once a week is very appropriate. You can use the rice scrub in the shower or bath, as it is much easier. Massage your skin with the scrub lightly and in a circular motion and rinse off with warm water. After exfoliation, apply your body oil and lotion immediately to hydrate your skin. These rice scrubs are simple to make at home and are very affordable. Rice flour is readily available, as well as the other ingredients that are combined to make a rice scrub. Rice scrubs can soften your skin, heal inflammations, and keep your skin hydrated. Which homemade rice scrubs do you like? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.